1.
My flight was overbooked.
Overbooked, same of there were too many passengers and not enough seats.
2.
My flight was delayed or canceled.
3.
My luggage was lost.
4.
I was jet-lagged.
Same of I felt tired because of the time zone difference between my origin and destination.
5.
My hotel was in a seedy area.
CD, same of possibly unsafe.
6.
I was mugged.
Same of I was robbed on the street.
7.
The weather was miserable.
8.
I got the runs.
Same of diarrhea.
9.
The place was a tourist trap.
Same of made only for tourists, not authentic.
10.
I couldn't wait to get back home.